Warahmatullahi Taala Wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal Rizal bin Hassan. My metric number is 13DDT19F from Y55. Okay, in this video, I will present to you about our project, which is title is travel website. Okay, first of all, we go to the .type HTML, and then we go to the HTML language equal to English, and then we open the head meta just set code. We use UTF slash 8, and the meta name viewport content width equal to device width and issue scale 1.0. Okay, for the project title that will be shown at the tab, we use project tours and travel website design, WDT. Okay, we refer to here font CDN link. The link style sheet href equal to this link, which is we import the CSS file, and then the next CSS file link is link rel equal to style sheet and href equal to c user desktop sam iv website design test and project and style.css, which is contained here the style, the file for cascading style sheet, and close head, open the body. Okay, for the next is header section, open header, and navigation class equal to navigation bar, ul li style, I 1 href is home, and next is 2, which is feature, 3, which is about, and 4 gallery, 5 review, and 6 is contact. Close UL and close navigation. For the div class menu, which is class we declare as a fast far bus, and next close the header, and the header section ends. Okay, this is for the header, which is we require user to input the details for their travel location. And next, for the home section start, we start the home section here. Okay, section class home id equal to home, and div class video container, and video source we input from this link, which is contained in this folder video, this opening, and mute loop, we will looping the video. Okay, close div. Next, open the div class, which is the content for the home. H1 is the explore, and the H3 is the it's time to travel, which is the sentence for the menu, and div class from container, which is action, will be null, and search your destination. This is the form to user they are required to fill up, which is the contain location, guest members, arrival, leaving, and button submit and search. Okay, for the location, type is in type is text, placeholder, place you want to visit, which is the text in the text field, and the next is guest member, type is number, which is require user to input the number, and placeholder, how many people in the text field, and arrival will be declared as a date, which is user can can open the calendar and choose the date. Also leaving, the same content, user will be choose the calendar to fill up the text field. Okay, close form and close div, and then next close the. Okay, next will be go to the website, which is we just deploy. Okay, in this interface, this is the interface for the home, and the header is here. We can see the project tours and website travel design, WDT. And for the menu selection, we can see here home, feature, about, gallery, review, contact. And this is the home interface, which is this is the text explore. It's time to travel, and because you can see here the user can insert their details, which is location, guest members, arrival, and leaving, and then they can click search and search the place they want to go. Okay, this is the example of our website. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Jamil bin Azudi. My number matric is F1043. I will present about project web design technologies. The name of project is about travel website, and this is a index.html, JS, main.js, and style.css. Okay, I will present about feature section. First step is we create class feature, and the ID is feature, and then we create heading. The heading is popular places, and the title is see the most featured places. Okay, next we put the picture. This is the location of the picture. Okay, the first picture is about Redang Island. This is the description of Redang Island, one of the most beautiful beaches in Malaysia and rich in natural beauty. And then we create button name is visit now. Okay, next picture is Mount Kinabalu. This is the location of image Mount Kinabalu, and this is the description. Mount Kinabalu is one of the most popular mountain for climbers from around the world, with an altitude of 4,055 meters above sea level. And we create button visit now. And the third picture is Petronas Twin Tower. This is the location of Petronas image Petronas Twin Tower, and this is the description, one of the tallest towers in the world, and we create button visit now. Okay, this is feature section. Okay, you can see here Redang Island, and this is Mount Kinabalu, and this is the description, and this is a button, and then this is Petronas Twin Tower. Okay, next we go about section. First step is we create class. The class is about, and ID is about, and we create heading. Heading is about us, and the title is explore the world with us. Okay, this is the location of the image. Okay, why this is the description. Why choose us? We are one of the trusted and well-known tourist organization in all of Malaysia. We also provide many facilities and good service to every tourist. We will also ensure the satisfaction of every tourist who deals with us. Okay, we create the button read more. Okay, next we create the box container. We have three box container here. First is travel guide, and second is 2x7 service, and the last one is hotel booking. Okay, this is about section. So you can see here heading is about us, and the title is explore the world with us, and this is the text, and this is the button. Also this is a picture. Okay, this is the travel guide, 24x7 service, and hotel booking. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
especially gallery section and review section. First of all, we're gonna go to the gallery section. In our gallery section, our head is our gallery and our title is explore the most visited places. And we decided to make it as a box container. We have 5 box container, each of them explaining about the location that tourists love to go and are recommended to you guys. For each of the boxes, we also explain what it has, what is the main attraction for the tourists, and last but not least, it's also told you where is the location and more and so. After that, in the box also we have a button which has written explore. You can click on it if you are interested in that location to know more about that location. As you can see here, we have box 1 as an example. We have image to put it in as a start to see what is the surrounding the location. Is it like a beautiful beach, something like that? For example, this is for beautiful beach. And then we have Desaru Beach content, which is what is in the box. Like Desaru Beach, Johor. This beach has no strangers to tourists, is famous for its white sands and a href. And last but not least, we have the button, which is a href. Go to the href button, class button, and go to explore. Next, we also have the same box 2. We put the image of the location and then content and also what it promote to the location. Same with 3, 4, and 5. And then it's over. Then we're gonna go to the review section. Review section, our heading is customer review, and our title is what people say about us. For division class box container, division class box, we make box that quote people that review of the location at what it's called, what it means to travel. For example, in this box, we have fast far code left, for meaning that we have symbol for the code. And then the content is the more we travel, the more experience and knowledge we will gain from each place. Travel around the world, meaning that this is the quote of this guy, of one guy, and we put it in the box, and then we're gonna make classify user which is the one who quote that. For example, here we have his name, his image, and when he say the quote, right? And we have 3. Each of us is the same. What is his quote? We're gonna put his image, and we're gonna put the info of it, of him, his name, and also when he quote it. Next we're gonna go to the layout and we're gonna see how it turns out. As you can see, this is our basic layout, and we're gonna go to the bottom, which is our gallery section. Explore the most visited place. In this place, we have example of the box 1, right? That we reviewed earlier. We have the picture of the beach. We have Desaru Beach Johor, and this is explaining what it has. It has beautiful scene, it has resort facilities, it also has kind of things that you can do. And also explore button, which is you can click and go to the website that gain a lot more what it is. Also with Kota E Famosa, what it has to offer, what you can do, Redang Island, Cameron Valley House Tim Pahang, and Langkawi Island Kedah. Next, we're gonna go to the customer review, what people say about us. This is the 3 bots that we mentioned earlier in the coding. that each of them quote and have the information what is about travel and what is important in travel and using our website. First of all, we're going to go to the box one. The more we travel, the more experience and knowledge we will gain from each place travel around the world. And this is the quote from someone that has an image, that has a name, and has the date when it's quote. Same can be said to this yada yada. He has the second quote, name, when it's code. Also, the reason why we do the customer review is to make people more interest to using our website and to feel more to me for.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Ramli, number metric F1085. So I will present about our project, which we should do a website for travel website. So I go to my part. First, newsletter section start. First section class, newsletter, and the IP class for equal to box. H1 for sign up for discount, and the paragraph is get in touch with us and get latest update. For form action, input type email and the placeholder enter your email, and input type submit, and last button will you send. Close form and close DIB for and close section, and newsletter section ends. For contact section start. First section class contact, ID contact. H1 class heading contact us. For H3 class title for book your ticket now. Form action. There will be class input box, input type text, and the placeholder first name. Input type also text, the placeholder last name. So close DIV. And DIV class input box, input type email, the placeholder email, input type number, and placeholder phone. Close DIV. For the text area, name, ID, calls to 30, rows to 10, the placeholder message. Close text area, input type submit, value message, and the class button. Close form, close section. And for footer section class footer, there will be class box, H3 codes, and the paragraph. Man cannot discover new ocean unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. Close paragraph, close DIV. DIV class open box, H3 share, and the Shref, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and GitHub. And the IP class open box, H3 links, home feature about gallery review and contact. So class credit created by Isman WT Anonymous and all right reserved. So this is the end of the website. So this is the jQuery link. So this is the link for jQuery, and this is the link for this for main JavaScript. So close body, close HTML. So we go to the main JavaScript. So the main JavaScript document ready function. Menu click to function, navbar, toggle menu, bars, toggle class, section, toggle class, nav toggle. So the window load, scroll, function, navbar height, menu, bars, remove class, and the section remove class. So this is for main JavaScript, which we go to this, and we go to style CSS. So first import URL for font. We use for Roboto font, and root red. This is the code for color. So this is for font family Roboto, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, border none, outline none, text decoration none, text transform capitalized, font weight 400, transition to S linear. For this is for selection, background, var and color for code color. For HTML, font size is 2.5%, overflow X hidden. Toggle transform to translate X to rem. For button, height 3.5 rem with 50 rem, background var red, color the code, border radius 5 rem and font size 1.7 rem, cursor pointer, margin 1 rem 0, box shadows 0, 0.3 rem, 0.5 rem, var red and opacity 7. For button hover, opacity 1. For heading, text align center, padding 5 rem for 1 rem, padding top 2 rem, font size for 3.5 rem, color var red and text transform uppercase. For this is for title, and this is header for menu. We go to index, we see. So this is for this menu. See, this is CSS for menu. We go to position fix, top 1.5 rem, right 2 rem, font size 3 rem and color, background, box shadow, padding, cursor, and the index, overflow. So this is for menu. For header navbar, you see this navbar. So navbar height 100 view height with position fix, top 0, right 0, background HTML1 for color red, display none. So this is for header navbar UL. Where the neighbor navbar UL, so this neighbor navbar UL for home, feature, about gallery, review and contact. So this display flag, align item center, justify content center, flex flow, column height 100%, list style none. For header navbar UL and LI, this. So margin 1.4 rem, animation fit, baseline backwards, animation delay. So the keyframe, header navbar ULI, header navbar ULLI, over, FA times, home video container video, home content for H1, home content for H3, home content for form container form container form H3, for home content form container form span, home content for container form input and form button. So this is for feature title, feature card container, feature card container card, and card container for card image. For this is for card info. For card hover info, this feature card container card info for H3 and start side. So this is about raw image for image, about the content for H3, about the content for paragraph, about box container, about container box, about container box I, box H3, for gallery box container, gallery box container box, and gallery box, box image, box content. So this is the CSS for this code. We should do the CSS code because you want the HTML berfungsi, berfunction. So